Deuteronomy 28 and verse 12 speaks about the work of our hand. The works of our hands, or simply work, can be broadly categorized into career and business. It was always God's purpose for mankind to be engaged in work of some form. Adam was required to work before his fall. From the very beginning, work has been spiritual. And even as we look at, the context of Adam's work, we can see some spiritual insight regarding Adam's work. Work was never intended as punishment for the fall of mankind, but rather as a gift from God to man. Regarding Adam's job is that it was meaningful, is that it was both physical and intellectual. Work, however, became toilsome and frustrating after the fall of Adam.